welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the best activities for kindergarten. Kindergarten is a crucial time for children to develop their cognitive, physical, and social skills. So, let's dive right in. First up, sensory play. Engaging kids' senses through activities like playing with slime or sensory bins can enhance their curiosity and creativity. It's not only fun, but it also promotes fine motor skills and sensory exploration. Next, let's talk about art. Kindergarten is a perfect time for kids to express themselves through art. Painting, drawing, and crafting activities can help develop their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and self-expression. Another great activity for kindergartners is storytelling. You can boost their imagination and language skills by reading books aloud, encouraging them to create their own stories, or engaging in imaginative play with puppets or toys. Physical activities are essential too. Kindergartners have lots of energy, so incorporating games and active playtime is necessary. You can organize simple obstacle courses, dance parties, or outdoor games to promote physical development and overall well-being. Lastly, don't forget about music. Singing, dancing, and playing musical instruments can enhance their rhythm, coordination, and creativity. It's a fantastic way to ignite their love for music and improve their auditory skills. Remember, these are just a few ideas, and it's crucial to tailor activities based on the interests and needs of the children. So, get creative, have fun, and enjoy the journey of learning and growing with your kindergartners. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content.